You know how it goes when you see a million trucks and they never arrive? I saw a sick 389 long hood Peterbilt go by and I was like, oh, I gotta go get some truck shots. Because there's so many trucks on this highway between, this is Highway 16 East, basically the road you would take if you're going from Vancouver to Edmonton, coming the northern route, or Prince George to Edmonton. And yeah, I came running over to the highway and now I don't see any trucks. Oh well, maybe later. Hey guys, I hope you're having an absolutely great weekend. We're in the middle of a heat wave here, so we took the weekend off. No working on Kenny, no working on trucks. We came to Mount Robson with the motorhome and the kids. Kids just got out of school on Friday, so yeah, took a drive to Valemont to check Valemont out, and it's pretty freaking gorgeous. 33 degrees here today. Look at the mountains in the background. Just what a beautiful little town Valemont is. We got Heimlich out. But anyways, the reason for this post, check this out. There's a fire truck for sale. They got their fire truck for sale. I don't know, I think this is a Ford? No, it's a Dodge. Gosh, I should know better. But just super cool. Leave a message, 250-566-9800. But how cool is this? Antique fire engine Dodge. ULC label, all the important information. Valemont Volunteer Fire Department. You know, if a guy wanted a project, this thing is in great shape, I think. I mean, look at that, it's not all rusted out. You got the fire hose stuff. Frame looks good. You know, and that's one of the benefits of a fire truck is they never go anywhere. How cool is that? Yeah. What year is it? Does it say? It's a Dodge. That's the VIN number. Oh. D81FP3J007499. So that's cool. Transport Canada decal. This thing's in great shape. Wow, this is cool. For an old Dodge. Got flashers, lights, manual 5-speed. There's the siren and radio. Hey, the key's in the ignition. No, I won't do that. There's a chain there too. I bet you they had the ignition on a chain. This is really neat. Look at that. Wow. Just cool. Look at the way that door closes. Like, just beautiful. And look at the metalwork. You know, it's interesting because new vehicles are definitely a little fancier than that, but this thing's in great shape. But it's a fire truck. Beauty of them is they don't move very often. Look at how old those tires are. Yeah, nice old split rim with a tube. Fire racks. You know, this would be fun to clean up and have it in parades or something. Guy was an old fire guy. You know, they can fix it up and do shows. Belongs in a museum. I'm up on top. Wood decking is a little worse for wear. Some moss growing in it. It's pretty good though, in my opinion. Gosh, this would take nothing to tidy up. Just absolutely nothing. It's not all rusted out. Wow. Like door hinges, the doors are solid, the doors aren't rusted. This is probably the most rust I've seen, obviously from tire chains. Get a look-see under here. Spring suspension. Look at that. Yeah. That's quite the hub. There's how many freaking bolts is there? That's a lot. But yeah. If anybody's looking for a project fire truck, Valemont Volunteer Fire Departments is absolutely fantastic. Fuel door. Oh, that's not a good sign. Fuel cap missing. Foam. Not even rusty. Like, that's what's so cool about it, is it's not even rusty. You know? I guess there's a little bit of rust there. Not bad though. Not bad for 50s or 60s truck. I'm surprised they leave it unlocked, but let's face it, it's a small town. Just put her out for sale. It's pretty cool. Dodge 800. Dodge 800 with some split rims. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's really cool. Really cool. Anybody looking for a Dodge fire truck project? No, it wouldn't even take that much to. You'd probably give it a good acid wash, and I bet you that paint would come right back up. Shine it up, paint the silver up, get the chrome re-chromed. It's got a guy thinking, what would I do with the fire truck though? I got cab overs to buy. I need a fire truck, but it's cool. Anyways, I was just driving by and thought I'd stop and show it to you guys. Because I mean, at the end of the day, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Like, absolutely beautiful. If you're a Dodge guy, like, wow, you should phone and pick this thing up. Because it really, I mean, I don't know what the engine's like or anything, but the paint is fantastic. The condition for its age is like, it would be an easy truck to tidy up and get looking good again. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna carry on my way and see what else I can find in this beautiful town of Valemont, British Columbia. Cheers. So we just stopped at the pullout for Terry Fox. Well, actually it's Mount Terry Fox. And I thought I should do some truck spotting, because there are so many trucks on this highway. Like, it's unbelievable, and lots of cool ones. Saw a C500, C500B with the steel fenders. It was all Mac Daddied out. When I say Mac Daddy, it was looked like it had been restored. So anyways, check out Terry Fox Mountain. Sorry, Mount Terry Fox. Just absolutely beautiful. It really is. I don't know what mountain that is over in the distance. We got Mount Robson over there. You know, it's really fun. I know that guy, but he doesn't recognize me standing on the side of the highway taking GoPro videos of trucks going by. He's actually hauling jet fuel out towards, he hauls it from Edmonton out to Terrace areas. So yeah, you know what? It's a brotherhood. All these people are my friends. And oh, here we go. Check out another one. This actually looked like Polly's truck. Somebody else. It's only a 6-axle load. He was going a little quicker. Nice truck though. Nice looking 389. Oh hey, I sold that truck. WG Davis. Woo, woo. That's pretty cool.